Introducing Hubble for iPad, the only protective case with an integrated hub that lets content creators, business people, busy moms, and everyone in between work, play, and explore their world without limits. Content creators love Hubble because they can work from anywhere to import photos from their camera straight to their iPad using the SD and micro SD card readers, edit the photos using the fully supported Apple Pencil, and export their final files to a backup drive using USB-A or two USB-C ports. Business people love Hubble because they can connect and share on any screen in seconds using the HDMI port with up to 4K 60Hz resolution. And Hubble's beautifully engineered aluminum alloy protective case keeps the iPad safe from drops and scratches while you're on the go. The travel switch saves the iPad battery between uses. Moms love Hubble because the case and detachable magnet cover keep their iPad safe while their toddler learns. And the 3.5mm headphone jack helps keep that education quiet. Hubble offers everything you need. Hubble will retail at $100 for the 11-inch version and $110 for the 12.9-inch version. You can back us today for $80 and $90. Explore your world with Hubble. Back the project today.